Investing used to be this exclusive club, reserved for Wall Street insiders, complicated, expensive, with jargon that seemed designed to keep you out. It felt out of reach, a world away for most ordinary people. But now, Gen Z is completely flipping the script. They're rewriting the rules of finance. Armed with smartphones, their primary tool, and user-friendly apps like Robinhood, suddenly, anyone can start investing, even with just a few bucks. The barriers to entry have been shattered. This generation isn't waiting for the old promises of pensions and traditional retirement plans to pay off. They want financial independence now, on their own terms. They've seen the power of meme stocks, the explosive crypto booms, and they know the traditional path, the 9-to-5 grind, isn't guaranteed to provide the security their parents were promised. For Gen Z, investing is a necessity, not a luxury, a fundamental part of building their future. Technology and social networks are their tools, empowering them to learn and participate in ways never before possible, making finance accessible and social, a shared experience. Enter copy trading, a fascinating trend that lets you mirror the investment moves of experienced traders, almost like having a mentor in your pocket with a tap. But is it a shortcut to wealth, a legitimate strategy for building long-term gains, or just a risky gamble, a high-stakes game with your hard-earned money? Let's dive in and find out. Smash that like button if you're ready to explore the world of copy trading, and let's get started on this journey together. What exactly is copy trading? It's a concept that's been gaining traction, but what does it really entail? Imagine for a moment that you're back in school, and you're copying the smartest kid's answers during a test. Now, take that idea, but instead of grades, it's your hard-earned money on the line. The stakes are much higher. On platforms like eToro, which have popularized this approach, you get to pick a trader, someone with a publicly visible track record of their trading performance. Then, you automatically mirror their trades. Every buy, every sell, every move they make, your account replicates. You can easily see their stats, analyze their performance, understand their risk scores, which indicate how aggressively they trade, and of course, their historical returns. Find someone you trust, someone whose strategy aligns with your own investment goals, hit copy with a simple click, and just like that, your account is linked, automatically following their every move in the market. For example, let's say Crypto Queen 88, a popular trader, buys Bitcoin, so do you automatically. It's done proportionally, instantly, and it's completely hands-off for you. No need to constantly watch charts and graphs or feel pressured to make split-second decisions in a volatile market. The platform handles it all automatically. It's not about following fleeting tips or succumbing to market hype. It's about automated, real-time investing based on the decisions of another trader. Essentially, you're outsourcing your investment strategy, delegating it to someone with potentially more experience and a proven track record. But remember this crucial point. Who you choose to copy is absolutely everything. It's the most critical decision you'll make. Choose wisely and carefully, because ultimately, your investment results will directly depend on their trading decisions and performance. Why is Gen Z obsessed with copy trading? Social media is a huge driver. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram are filled with stories of quick wins and viral gains, fueling FOMO. Gen Z expects seamless, gamified apps, and copy trading delivers. It's as easy as following someone online with the promise of passive income and instant feedback. The appeal? Fast results, low barriers, and a chance to learn by doing. Copy trading feels like a real-time apprenticeship. Earn while you learn, watching pros in action. It's practical, hands-on, and fits Gen Z's digital-first mindset. For many, it's the perfect blend of tech, community, and opportunity. So, is copy trading a stroke of genius, a revolutionary way to invest and potentially grow your wealth? Or is it simply a risky business venture, fraught with potential pitfalls and dangers lurking around every corner? It's a question worth exploring. The upside? It's incredibly accessible, opening up the world of trading to just about anyone with a smartphone and an internet connection. It's also time-saving, freeing you from the need to constantly monitor the markets and make split-second decisions, and it presents a great way to diversify your investment portfolio, spreading your risk across a wider range of assets. Even for beginners who are just starting to dip their toes into the complex world of finance. You can learn valuable strategies and insights simply by watching how seasoned experts navigate the markets. And you can build a well-rounded portfolio by mirroring the moves of successful traders. Across different markets, gaining exposure to international stocks and assets you might not otherwise consider. But it's crucial to remember that the risks are very real. Past performance, no matter how impressive, doesn't guarantee similar results in the future. Market conditions can change rapidly. You're essentially trusting complete strangers with your hard-earned money, placing your financial future in their hands, and their winning streak, or their luck, can run out incredibly fast, leaving you with significant losses. Some traders are driven by greed and chase after high returns, often at any cost. They might engage in risky bets and highly speculative trades hoping for a quick profit. Putting your cash directly on the line, exposing it to unnecessary and potentially devastating financial risk. Always check the risk scores of the traders you're considering copying. Pay close attention to their past drawdowns and carefully analyze their overall trading history before making any decisions. Don't just blindly chase after big numbers and promises of unrealistic profits. Start small, with a minimal amount of capital. Diversify your investments across multiple traders, and, most importantly, never invest more than you can realistically afford to lose without jeopardizing your financial well-being. Copy trading is simply a tool, a means to an end. It's not a magic money machine that will automatically generate wealth overnight. Use it wisely, with careful consideration and a healthy dose of skepticism, and always stay sharp, informed, and vigilant about the risks involved.